Good morning, everyone. Let us start our chapter number 16 in biology, class 10, management of natural resource. Now, before starting with this chapter, let us study what is natural resource. Natural resource includes the entire surface layer of earth because each part of the earth surface are of some use to human being. अगर हम जनरल वे में बोले तो नेचुरल रिसोर्स का मतलब होता है एनीथिंग दैट वी ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम नेचर एंड यूजफुल फॉर मैनकाइंड इज कॉल्ड एज नेचुरल रिसोर्स. दो प्रकार के होते हैं ये, इनएग्जॉस्टिबल नेचुरल रिसोर्स एंड एग्जॉस्टिबल टाइप ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्स. इनएग्जॉस्टिबल टाइप ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्स जो अनलिमिटेड होते हैं, खत्म नहीं होते हैं चाहे कोई किसी भी ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज के कारण, जैसे सनरेज, सोलर रेडिएशन, एयर, वाटर. इनएग्जॉस्टिबल टाइप ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्स है. जबकि एग्जॉस्टिबल टाइप ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्स नॉन रिन्यूएबल होते हैं और ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज के कारण ये खत्म हो सकते हैं, जैसे वाइल्ड लाइफ है, मिनरल्स है, कोल है, पेट्रोलियम एक्सेट्रा. So this is inexhaustible type of natural resource. Let us talk about the pollution of Ganga and Ganga Action Plan (GAP), which is very important topic and usually asked in your exam. Ganga is one of the most important river of India. It runs over 22,500 kilometers from Gangotri in the Himalayas to the Ganga Sagar in Bay of Bengal. It is being polluted by more than 100 cities and towns in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Garbage, human excreta, untreated sewage are dumped into the river Ganga only daily. Several human activities like washing of clothes, immersion of ashes, chemical effluents of industries are also responsible for the pollution of Ganga. This pollution resulted in the fish killing in large section of river. Ganga Action Plan was a program launched by the Government of India in April 1985 in order to reduce the pollution load on the river. The program was launched with much fanfare, but it failed due to decrease the population level in the river, pollution level in the river. So after spending 15 years also, अभी तक गंगा की जो है वो अच्छे से सफाई नहीं हो पाई है. This bacteria, which is called as coliform, is a group of bacteria found in human intestine. Its presence in the water indicates the contamination by disease-causing microbes, which was found to be very high in Ganga during 1993 to 1994, indicating it as reservoir of many waterborne diseases. So its name is also important, usually asked in the board exam. Which bacteria is responsible for polluting the Ganga? So it is coliform. So you have to learn this Ganga Action Plan. It is very important, usually asked as a short note in your exam. So how can we manage? हम sustainable management कैसे कर सकते हैं natural resource का? Let us see. This is also one of the important topic. So there are 3R techniques: reduce, reuse, and recycle, which is called as 3R, by which we can manage natural resources. This reduce, reuse, and recycle we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.